The Israel Defense Forces, or IDF, has confirmed that an Iron Dome battery accidentally shot down an Israeli Skylark drone during a recent conflict. Israeli media outlet Haaretz was the first to report on the unintended hit, which the IDF also acknowledged. IDF spokesperson told Haaretz, "As part of the round of fighting in Gaza and as part of the defense of the country's skies, an IDF Skylark drone was hit by Iron Dome. The incident is under investigation." The downing of the Skylark drone is a critical challenge since it's very likely that a large number of friendly and hostile drones will be present on battlefields of the future, and they'll be operating in close proximity. Viewers may note that the Palestinian militant group Hamas has revealed that it's deployed many unmanned aircraft during the conflict, including a suicide drone called Shehab. In this video, Defense Updates analyzes why Iron Dome shooting down of Israel's own drone is a great concern. Let's get started. This video is sponsored by War Thunder. If you are, like us, fascinated by military vehicles and technology, I recommend you give War Thunder a try. It's a military vehicle combat game which you can download and play for free on PC, PlayStation 4, and Xbox One with cross-platform support. It has a huge variety of more than 1,200 playable aircraft, tanks, helicopters, and ships from the 1930s to the 1990s, which you can take to battle on land, in the air, and at sea on more than 80 theaters of war. War Thunder's been kind enough to offer all Defense Updates viewers a special bonus, which will grant you a free premium tank, aircraft, or ship, and 3 days of premium account time for registering using our link in the description below. So take the plunge and join more than 20 million players from around the world. This recent conflict began on May 10, 2021. The fighting saw Hamas firing an estimated 4,300 rockets toward Israel, and Israel conducting 1,500 airstrikes in the nearly 2 weeks of fighting. The recent fighting seems to be some of the most fierce since the 2014 conflict. Israel has faced rocket attacks for a long time. In the 1990s, Hezbollah, based in Lebanon, fired rockets into the northern part of Israel. During the 2006 Second Lebanon War, the situation worsened. Hezbollah fired approximately 4,000 rockets, mostly the short-range Katyusha. In the period between 2000 and 2008, 8,000 projectiles were launched in the southern part of Israel, mainly by Hamas. It's estimated that 50% of these were rockets and the other 50% were mortar bombs. The latest conflict has manifested itself in a different way with the involvement of drones. Drones, unlike rockets and mortars, can hover in the air and maneuver. Skylark is a family of drones manufactured by the Elbit system. Skylark 1 is a miniature UAV. It's designed as a man-packed system for tactical surveillance and reconnaissance. The Skylark is launched by hand. The payload consists of a daylight CCD or optional FLIR for night operations. During operation, it sends real-time video to a portable ground station. Recovery involves a deep stall maneuver, landing on a small inflatable cushion. It has a range of 40 kilometers, or about 25 miles, and an endurance of 3 hours. The later variants, Skylark 2 and Skylark 3, are larger and have greater range and endurance. In total, it's been selected by more than 20 operators worldwide. It's unclear as of now which variant was shot down. The Iron Dome weapon system is the lowest layer of Israel's multi-layered air and missile defense umbrella. It's a mobile, all-weather air defense system developed by Rafael Advanced Defense Systems and Israel Aerospace Industries. While Iron Dome is primarily a CRAM, counter rockets, artillery, and mortar system, it can be used to protect against drones too. According to the country's defense forces, on May 17th, Israel's Iron Dome air defense system had intercepted a drone belonging to Hamas, a first for the platform. Iron Dome consists of 3 components: radar, battle management component, and missile launcher. The system uses the radar to detect incoming projectiles. The radar tracks the projectile and sends information to the battle management component. The battle management component examines where the incoming projectiles will hit, and if the area of impact is estimated to fall in its purview, it commands the missile launcher to fire interceptors to neutralize the target in midair. Iron Dome has a first-of-its-kind multi-mission launcher that's designed to fire a variety of interceptor missiles. The interceptor is chosen depending on the threat. Iron Dome's Tamir interceptor missiles can strike down incoming threats launched from ranges of 2.5 miles or 4 kilometers to 44 miles or 70 kilometers. Tamir missile is equipped with electro-optical sensors and steering fins with proximity fuse blast warheads. Each Iron Dome battery includes 3 to 4 stationary launchers with 20 Tamir missiles and a battlefield radar. A single battery can defend up to nearly 60 square miles. Iron Dome is considered to be the most used missile defense system. 10 Iron Dome batteries protect Israel. Drone technology has become very advanced and relatively cheap. A swarm of drones armed with explosives has the potential to cause a lot of damage. The conflicts in Iraq and Syria have shown that this kind of capability is within reach of even non-state actors. In January 2018, a mass drone attack was witnessed on Russia's main outposts in Syria, the Khmeimim Air Base, and the naval base in Tartus. Though the damage from the attack was insignificant as per Russia, it clearly displayed the potential of drones in warfare. On September 14, 2019, facilities of Saudi Arabia's oil company, Aramco, located in the east of the country, came under attack. As per reports, 18 drones, as well as 7 cruise missiles, were used in the attack. The world's biggest oil refinery, near the city of Abqaiq, and a refinery near Khurais, where Saudi's second largest oil field is located, were targeted. The damage was significant, and the panic caused a spike in global oil prices. Iron Dome's ability to differentiate between hostile and non-hostile aircraft was the main reason an International Aviation Authority gave Israel the green light to keep its airspace open to commercial flights during the conflict. But with this incident, the confidence will take a hit. IDF will need to investigate this, and a fix will have to be identified and implemented.